Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to pretty much use your computer like a pro. Pretty much use your Windows operating system. If you're using Windows, you have a Microsoft computer or something. If you're using Windows, I'm going to show you how to use your Windows computer like a pro. Like a true hacker, in essence, an ethical hacker. So, when I go to my system for updates, let's just, go to search bar, type in updates right here, check system for updates. It says I'm up to date. So I press it again, and I look what needs to be updated, and it's checking. And it says it's installing this. Okay, so we're gonna wait to install. Okay. So download and install. Latest updates still available. Be on. Not now. Okay. So we're gonna finish downloading this update. And it says the only update I need is this update. So we're gonna wait for it to download. We're gonna look for more options, advanced options, optional updates. It says one available, and it's somewhere around the same update. So we're gonna click that, and we're gonna put download and install. So far it says we need those two updates for our system. Alright. For time's sake, let's just skip forward. So, you see when I go to updates, I go to optional updates, I go to every updates that Windows updates provide. And it tells me that I only need these two updates. Okay. So now, I'm going to go back to these are the top window commands. The top window terminal commands. This is the window terminal. You type CMD right here and pull up this command prompt. You can run it as administrator for more accessibility. So you type CMD, you put up the command prompt, and you'll get this. This is the terminal. This terminal, you type in commands. The commands control your computer. So I'm going to go to this command right here that says winget. This command right here, winget. So, how to use? You put winget, install whatever app you want to install on your computer if you knew the app name, and winget upgrade to upgrade and install updates for the app. So I'm going to put winget upgrade, just winget upgrade alone. Alright, I copied and pasted it. In order to copy and paste on the terminal, you can press Control V to paste, or you can just right click on your mouse. So I'm gonna put that, and it's telling me which versions I have. It's telling me which versions I have and which versions are available. So this is my system telling me the updates and upgrades that's available that I need. Not necessarily need, but I can get. Right? So for example, Nexus Mod is right here, Vortex. I have version 1.14.3. That's the version I have. And the available version is 1.14.5. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put winget, and you can press up and down on the arrow key to go through your previous commands you put in. So I'm going to put WinGet upgrade, and I'm going to find the name of what I want, which is Nexus Mod Vortex. So I'm going to find that ID. I'm going to copy the ID with Control C, Control C, and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to make a space to separate it from this command, and I'm going to paste it. Probably take that back a bit. Probably my bad, my space was okay. And I'm going to execute. So right now it says this application is licensed to you by its owner. Microsoft is not responsibility, does not, whatever. So this is just the warning telling you, you know, licenses things. And right now it's downloading. It's downloading the upgrade or update that I need for Nexus Mod, which didn't show up on my normal updates. So, you know, it did not show up. Only these two showed up: Windows version, base system, network framework. You know, those are the things that showed up when I went to update on my computer. But as we can see, when I went to the back end and through the terminal, I needed to update several things. And matter of fact, I try to duplicate this. Can't duplicate this terminal. Okay, so I just open up a new one for comparison. Alright, so while that's updating Vortex, which is downloading, it's right here, it's downloading everything. It's starting package install. I know it's gonna be gibberish your first time seeing it, but you know, this is very simple. This is the name. This is the file location. Matter of fact, this is the file location. Right? So this is the file location of where Vortex is stored. It's in my C drive up under the Windows folder. You know, up under System 23 document, whatever. So this is the file location. This is the name of the programs or software or computer chips or whatever, because previously it had a motherboard upgrade up here. So I was able to upgrade my motherboard here, and I would have never known going to the regular Windows updates. I would never known I needed to update my motherboard, and I would have never known what was available. So here we're still waiting for the update, but you have names. This is Vortex, this is Riviera Tuner, this is Ubisoft Connect, this is Microsoft Visual, Microsoft Word, this is Visual, this is Discord. I have a update for Discord I didn't know about. You know, the version I have is this version, and this is the version available. So look at that. I have to do that. So it says 10 available. It says 10 available, and I'm pretty sure it's a way where you can just press one button, put one command in, and all of these things update. I don't know it right now, and I'll probably look it up later. But for the sake of this video, I just really want to stress that there are updates and upgrades that need to be done in your system, and you probably won't see it in the traditional Windows updates menu. So this is taking on update, probably because I have a game in the background trying to update, so, or trying to download, upload, download, load. But for the sake of this video, once again, learn to use your command prompt. Learn to type CMD right here in the search bar. Pull up your command prompt, and it's really useful. It's really useful. So once again, what was that? The first Winget. Ah, shit. Okay, my bad. Okay, Winget upgrade. So, once again, this is showing us all the files or all the things in the system that has available upgrades, which is updates. So, here we go. Learn to use it and do it.